Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Marisol Samsid Kitchen. We're cooking dinner, guys. Hey anak, we're cooking dinner, guys, here outside. Well, we always cook dinner here because I like it. See outside.
Scared of you. Namatay din na ba?
So I think this one is because I'm making hot water, and then I'm gonna put here in the thermos. So I'm waiting. We're going to cook this bamboo shoot. Ano ba ito?
Gaway.
So it's boiling now. Hala.
Yung pong gaway.
So I'm
Sa
gonna put
ate.
there.
Sa kay ate. Sa kay ate. Para mag-ano sa ate.
Lemongrass.
Only one here.
Hoy! Ilan mo dia? Oh, babaring duha. Asan kasi na to, boy?
Dali ko nagpo ganina no. Nang kita asa lapit.
OMG, we don't have salt. Oh no.
This one? Open?
I have the cubes na lang. Okay. The coconut milk is already boiling. So I'm gonna put this bamboo shoot.
This one open? You see this one open? Because it's on right side.
What's that? Wow, kumungkulo-kulo na. So I'm going to mix. Okay, and asa atong mga lamas. Ito nang itong biradahan. I have assistant here, guys. A boy. He is my assistant chef. Sarap. Very yummy. Ay, ate, naligo ka tayo? Nudlay ka.
Lahapay, langgod.
Ha? Awa ka naligo. Yate.
Ibo bang nangyari? Ako ni ating paggawa dito na, kautiho, kita po niya. Patalikod. Ayaw, di?
Gara jud mo kay gakuan ko diri ah.
Teo, ginabitin, Teo. Ganun, diba?
Ayaw bi.
Na may amigas, guys. Kao mo amigas. I think it's all. Where is the? So I'm going to put the grass. Wow. It looks yummy.
Kalakaw lagi. Dahil mo kakangdalan.
Wow. Be, ang kuan boy.
Ito.
Na, luto na. It's done, guys. So, that's it. It's very simple. We boil the bamboo shoot first. And then, that's it. Coconut milk. Yeah. So, that's for tonight. This is our food for tonight, guys. With rice. And with ginamos, fermented fish. So, that's it. Thanks, everyone. Maybe they won't last to this. You know.
Oh.
Dagan. Dagan ming.
Wow.
So here's my vegetables, guys. Here's our dinner with banana. We don't have rice, so it's only the gulay and the banana. No, actually we have rice. Oh, it's very yummy. It looks yummy. So that's it, guys. Nara ko ginamos. And here's my gulay. And rice. So tata is done. Paspasan tata nito na.
Mabag ng ulo.
Malabot sa ulong nabag ano sa kaon.
Hindi, wala sa kape daw.
Ito niya.
It's so yummy. It's only poor people can relate to what you are eating now. Rich people, they don't eat this. Napal ginamos. Nadagang ka eksili. Okay.